Hello guys and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I managed to score more than 950 points in my CompXM simulation. This is round 1. So the first step that you normally have to look at is your report to see what are the customers' buying criteria, what do the customers really want in your market. So we'll start with thrift market segment. So in thrift market segment, here customers want a product with the pricing has an importance of 55%, reliability has an importance of 20%, positioning has an importance of 15%, age has an importance of 10%. So if you scroll down to the core market segment, here pricing has an importance of 46%, age has an importance of 20%, reliability has an importance of 18%, ideal positioning has an importance of 16%. Then in the nano market segment, here ideal positioning has an importance of 35%, pricing has an importance of 27%, age has an importance of 20%, reliability has an importance of 18%. Then in the elite market segment, age has an importance of 34%, pricing has an importance of 24%, ideal positioning has an importance of 22%, and reliability has an importance of 20%. So let us make the decisions in my simulation. So for Eka, so Eka is in the elite market segment. So here I'll give it 12.2. So I'll say 12.2. Then the size, I'll give it 6.2 also. So I'll give it 6.2. I'll not touch my mean time before failure. So for Adam is in the elite market segment. So I'll give it a performance of 14.2, a size of 8.1, and not again here I'll not touch my mean time before failure. Then for Arc product, I'll give it a performance of 6.7, a size of 13.6, and again here I'll not touch my reliability also, because I want my product to be more reliable than those of my competitors. So in the able, this is the core market segment, I'll give it a performance of 9.4 and a size of 10.8. And please don't copy my research and development values, because they might not be the same as yours. I'm just giving you a direction on how you can do it. So I'll recalculate. And if you look at it, is that most of my products are coming out in September. So I'll have to again here with my strategy, I want to introduce 3 new products. So let me say I'll introduce the first product is ARC. So I'll give it ARC 1. So because I want it to sell in the thrift market segment. Then again another one I want it to sell in the core market segment. I'll give it I'll name it Able 1. Then this other product that I wanted to sell in the nano market segment, I'll call it ARC 1. So it's ARC 1. I'm just giving the same name as those of the other products, but I'm adding 1 so that you don't confuse. Then finally I'll give it I'll call it Adam 1, because I want it to sell in the elite market segment. So in terms of pricing, so in terms of mean time before failure, so this is in the thrift, so I'll give it 20,000. In the core, I'll give it 22,000. In the nano, I'll give it 24,000. Then in the elite, I'll give it 26,000. Then in terms of positioning, so this one I'll say it's 15.4. See, this is in the elite, so 15.4 and 7.0. 7.0. Then in the nano market segment, I'll give it this 13.3 because I want my products to be more competitive than those of my competitors. So here is 5.0. Then in the core market segment, so sorry, this is 5, not 0, so this is 5.0. So in the nano market segment, here no, this is in the core, sorry, so this is I'll give it 10.1, and also I'll give it 10.1. Then in the thrift market segment, I'll say 7.0 and a size of 13.2. So I'll give it 13.2. So I'll recalculate to see when my products will be coming out. So all these other products are coming out in October. Then the new products in the thrift is coming out in May, April. This is in the round 3. So I'll start selling this product in round 3. So that's my decisions in terms of research and development. So my next step is because I want to reduce on my R&D cycle time and reduce on my costs and material cost and these other costs, I'll come into my total quality management. So here are just initiatives that will try and help you reduce on the R&D cycle time and also reduce on your labor cost and what have you. So I'll invest 1 million. So I'm trying to reduce. These are initiatives like if you click on this information button, this one will reduce labor and material cost. Then benchmarking will reduce administrative costs. So what I'll do, I'll just put 1,000 on each. So this is 1 million, not basically 1,000. So I'll put 1,000 here, 1,000. So I'll put 1,000 on all of them. Then I recalculate. So I'll go back to my R&D to see how is my R&D faring on. So here I have they are coming out in September. You see that it has changed. They are coming out in October, but now they have been pushed back. So the cycle time has been reduced to September. So the next decisions is the marketing page. So under the marketing page, here is where you normally make decisions in terms of pricing, in terms of promo budget, sales budget, and forecasting. So your promo budget will increase your awareness. Your sales budget will increase your accessibility. Then also you'll be pricing your product so that you can make sales into the market. So this the nano product and the elite product will not change anything. So I'll come to before I change that, so I'll have to check on my report. So this is my report. So in terms of pricing, so we'll start with thrift. In terms of pricing has an importance of 55%, meaning these customers in the thrift market, they really value pricing of their commodities. So if you look at how we sold in the last round, I had the highest price of 26, and I lost on most of my customers because of my pricing. So with the thrift, I'll have to reduce on my pricing. Then in the core market segment, also price is important with an 46%. Then in terms of selling, you see mine was 32, which was the highest, and maybe if I could have reduced it, I could have made more sales. Then in the nano market segment, here pricing has an importance of 27%, and my competitors had 37, I had 40. Then in the elite market segment, here pricing has an importance of 24%. So I'll just I'll only reduce the ones for core and thrift. So this one I'll give it 20. Then this one I'll give it 29. Then I'll give it promo budget of 2,000 because I want to increase on my access awareness so that more customers can be aware of my product. So that's the importance of investing in the promo budget. Then in the sales budget, it's increase your accessibility such that more customers can easily access on your product. So this is in terms of salesperson, branches, and what have you. Then the next place is the forecasting, and with the forecasting, what I did is that I carried out my forecasting and I so that I can sell 2000 in no no in, okay, in the thrift I'll sell 2000. Then in the core market segment I'll sell 2100. Then in the thrift market segment, no, in the nano market segment I'll sell 1000, 1000 1199. Oh, so basically 1200. So in terms of 1200, then here I can sell 1300. Then I'll come and calculate, because this is my marketing department, and I just have to make forecast the number of units that I'll sell in the coming years. So in terms of marketing, that's the decisions that I did for marketing. Then we have production. So here is where you want to set up your company in terms of automation and buying sell capacity. So here you just have to, for the new products, this is the first step, just buy the capacity so that you build on what you'll sell in the next round. So I'm building a capacity of 300. Then automation, I'm giving all of them 4, because I want to automate my company and reduce on labor costs. So I'll give it an automation of 4. So okay, the basically why I started doing automation is that here we have this maximum investment, and you just have to play with this value so that you don't invest more with what you have. Then because the thrift customers in the thrift market segment really want cheaper product, so I'll have to automate my machines. So I'll give it automation of 8.5, meaning 85% of my machines are automated. Same with the core. So with core I'll give it 7. So let us recalculate to see how much you'll have spent and how much you'll have remain with, so that if you have any value that you have, you can still invest on other places. So I can see we still have some money here, so I'll buy a capacity of 100 here. So here I'll buy a capacity of 100. Here I'll buy a capacity of 100. Here I'll buy a capacity of 100. So I'll calculate, because I want to increase on my capacities before I go in the production schedule to see how I'll so this is 59, so it's almost perfect. So here I'll come and produce 860 units. So 860. So let me say, yeah, 860. Here I'll come and produce 960. So let me just say here I'll come and produce 1000. I'll produce 1100 units. Also here I'll come and produce 1960 units. 960 units. Here I'll produce 1250 units, and here I'll produce 2050. So 2050 units. And note that, so yeah, 2050 units. And you should note that in this simulation I can't produce these new products because I don't have the capacity. That's why I built my capacity in this round so that I can be able to sell them in the next round. So the next step is human resource. This is where you, in terms of your workers and your productivity index, your salary, so your training hours. So my recruitment spend, I normally give it 5,000, but you can give it 3,040, but me I normally go for maximum, so 5,080. So my training hours, I've given them maximum training hours of 80 because I want to increase on my productivity. So before you go into the last part, which is the finance, it's advisable that you go into the income statement in the performance. So you look at the income statement. You see you are getting loss in this new product because you are investing, you are putting more money and they are not getting back on your return. So we are just developing, so no need to worry. Then in terms of ratios, here with ratios, also cash flow, we are using more money than what is coming in, so we don't need to worry. So balance scorecard, let's look at our projected balance scorecard in for the decisions that we have made. Here we have 60.5, so this is 60.5, sorry. So next, what we'll do is that we come into the finance section here. So let us, because we are projecting to have 536, so I'll take this maximum, so it's 14,722. Then I'll take here 15,000. Then I'll issue stock worth 10,000. So I'll recalculate to see if I have enough money for my projected cash flow. So no, for my cash position in as of December. So let me see what I have. So my projected cash position is 37. So let me look at my balance scorecard to see if I've improved on my projected balance scorecard. My balance scorecard is, you see that I got profits. I don't have profit because I'm using more of my money in developing my company. So my projected balance scorecard is 66.2, and I believe I'll be improving as the rounds go by. So that's it for today, guys. If you feel you have any questions, just send me an email that is on your screen, and for sure I'll try and assist you. Have a nice time.